we're interested in extending the SafeZone core product, which is the mobile app, more broadly. We're targeting 30% adoption rate for the app itself. I think that's a good starting point for us, but that doesn't change our standard or our duty of care to team members. So as we think about SafeZone as an app, it provides the emergency button, but it also provides wellness assistance, that wraparound piece. We wanted to make sure that right out of the gate, what we're providing isn't just the red button. The red button acknowledges that violence is going to happen. I'm going to give you a button to tell me when it does. It doesn't tell me any way that I'm going to try and prevent it, and it doesn't do anything to help come to that employee's aid after it's taken place, the counseling services, EAP, chaplaincy. So SafeZone is still going to be our core product, but for those that don't want to download the app or in an environment where they can't, that's where we start looking at additional ways to get it in their hands. So the desktop application is very intriguing to us. That's one where when we get it to work in our environment the way that we want it to, it is something that can be available to a clinician really anywhere at IU Health. So not uncommon to us. We use a virtual environment for our desktop, so a nurse or a doctor may badge tap in and out of workstations hundreds of times a day. If every time they badge tap in, SafeZone is just there and it's running, they don't have to think about it. They can be focused on patient care, knowing that they still have those emergency services at their beck and call if they need them. And then the last line of defense for us is that wearable button. And we want to take a data-informed approach on that. So we don't think that it's necessarily reasonable to give all 40,000 IU Health team members the button, but we now are getting really good quality data around where workplace violence is taking place in our hospitals, and we can target the most high-risk environments with that wearable duress button, again, to put it directly in the hands of team members.